Yo, what's going on, guys? We got a free midweek review. Um, yeah, today is May 1st, 2024. Gonna let these guys come up, see their trades, review their trades, see what they're taking. All right, let's get some people up here.
What's up, gang?
What's up,
What's
man?
up, man? All right, I'm back.
What's up? What's up?
How you doing?
Doing good. You guys?
Good, good.
Good.
Good. That's what I like to hear.
What trades did you take today?
So yeah, so my trade is at 10. 10 let's see, hold on. It was the long at 10. To be exact, it was
Right at 10?
10:17.
10, 17. Okay.
Yeah.
NQ? QS?
And thank you.
Okay, okay. What was your thought process on it?
Right. Yeah, let me know if I got this down. So going on the 1 hour.
Okay.
Uh the 3 o'clock candle Wednesday. I don't know if that's right, but that looks like POC to me. So I had that marked out, and I also had the 1800 open marked out.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And I know that I don't know who said it, but I'm still backtesting myself, but
Mm-hmm.
I'm pretty sure we're supposed to um buy below it and sell above it. I'm not sure if that's 100% correct, but
That
Yes,
is, yeah.
that is, yeah.
that is okay. Okay,
Well,
yeah, and then so we swept that 755 low 1 hour range. Wait,
yeah,
shit.
it's a really good trade, I think.
Yeah. So
Mm-hmm.
I waited for I dropped down to the 10 minute, and
10 minute.
that was the 10 minute, and that was my ICR, that 10 o'clock candle, and I waited for the 10:10 candle to close below it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh shit, my bad. And then I'm back testing this myself, but I'm sometimes the manipulation candle can get souped again, but I was confident that it wouldn't. So on the 10:15 candle, I bought one con below the 10:10 open, if that makes sense. And then I just had my stop loss at the manipulation candle wick, and I took it off at the 10-minute high for the range. That was basically my trade.
Okay, okay, yeah, I like that, man. Very good
So
thought
the thought
process.
process good.
Yeah,
Okay.
very good thought process. Very, good target as well. Uh, even though the order flow was bearish, you didn't go
Yeah.
all the way up to the highs. So yeah, it's good job on that. I like that trade.
All right. Good.
Any other trades you took?
No, that was the only trade I took.
Okay.
But I have a question on for Ani for his ranges.
Yeah.
So I was studying it last night, and today I marked the 20 o'clock, 8 p.m. Right? I'm pretty sure that's 8 p.m.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. On what time frame, though?
Uh, I did it on the 1 hour.
Yeah, 1 hour?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So 20 to midnight,
Yeah,
and
to midnight?
then
Yeah.
Asian range.
I marked out London. Yeah, the Asian range, and then London from 3 to 5, and it to me, London displaced below
Yeah.
the Asian range, and
Yep.
so did that help you with your short today?
Yeah, so I expected a London SMR and a New York continuation to trend. So that's why I shorted, right?
Yeah.
That's why I was
Okay.
looking for shorts because I expected New York to continue what London did. Since
Mm-hmm.
yeah, that was a big confluence.
Okay, bet.
Yep.
All right. That's all the questions I have for you guys. Thank
Okay.
you.
Good
Yes,
job
sir.
on the trade, man. I like it.
Appreciate it. Thank
Yep.
you. Thank you. Have a good one.
See you. See you, man.
See, man. Now let's get mythical up here.
What's up, guys?
What's up, man?
What's up, bro?
What's up, man? How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Pretty good. So today I only took one trade. It was small loss, but so I was starting with just my analysis on the 4 hour on ES. I was mainly watching in the morning,
Mm-hmm.
and we had a 4 hour S&T with I believe it was that like 6 a.m. 4 hour and the 2 a.m. 4 hour. I think the S&T was with YM, I think.
Okay.
Yeah. And so then I zoomed into the 1 hour, and I was watching that 9 a.m. candle and seeing how we had swept the 8 a.m. candle,
Mm-hmm.
and we also closed bearish. So,
Mm-hmm.
and I was thinking, okay, well, we have all of that, and then we have news at 10 a.m. So maybe we want to go down to like, I was bearish for the day as well. I was thinking we were going to hit those on ES, the 50-22 mark. And I mean, that was just my target for later on in the day. I didn't think it was going to get hit with this morning trade. I was just targeting uh, the sorry, the 4 hour low, I believe, and maybe a little bit big of a target, but yeah. And then I waited for when 10 opened, when news opened high, I entered. My fill was kind of bad, and I just had a 10 tick stop. I was in profit for a bit, and then I think that range, the internal range, got swept on NQ, and then I got stopped out. But yeah, so I entered right at 10 and pretty much got stopped at like 10:06, I think.
So you enter shorts on this, yeah?
Uh,
10
yeah,
Central Time, right?
yeah, it was right at 10.
Were you looking at this FVG as well, or you just entered at the 10?
Oh, I had a sorry, I had a 15-minute. What was it? I think it was I had something marked out there. Let me check real quick. It
There was an
was
order block as well.
yeah, it was the 15-minute order block. Was kind of what I wanted to see, but since news happened so fast, my fill was really bad. I didn't have a limit order set there, which I should have, but because I was also thinking we could have just sold right there. I didn't really think we were gonna immediately open high and then get the move down and then close back.
But I would say for this, right? Yeah, it looks nice as a order block and FVG. Everything in here is fine, but just looking at the day, right? Yesterday we had a huge a down move, like an
Mm-hmm.
expansion move, and we were really low. And this is how the daily candle opened. There's a small move up, which is the Asian range as well, and just you were here, right? You
Yeah.
were you were somewhere here, and I expected FOMC to go really down, but uh, I wanted all this to get rebalanced as well.
Okay.
Me personally, I would not short here just because I wanted a deep retracement. So I did not
Okay.
take any trades anywhere here.
Okay. And do you
That's why
think
I
that's
thought,
also because FOMC, like just normally morning of FOMC tends to consolidate a little bit? You think it just that made it low probability as well?
yeah, I think all this was ranging a bit.
Yeah.
There was no proper move, and
Okay.
there was no proper accumulation above midnight as well.
Okay.
Yeah,
I
that's why
see.
I wanted like a proper daily wick, and in here there was no proper daily wick. This was the only wick we had, the small wick. We were somewhere
Okay.
here.
Yeah. Yeah. I
Is there
mean,
anything else, Tony?
No, yeah, you covered it, bro.
okay. So you think like maybe if conditions were better, that sort of like the plan I kind of followed through and what I recognize as like decent.
Yeah. So you were shorting here, right?
Yeah.
So if we went the daily, you were shorting here,
Okay. I didn't
right?
even think
If
about it like that.
yeah, so we were hella bearish yesterday, right? And
Yeah.
yeah, it was below, so we are bearish today as well. But if price was somewhere here, this is a good place to short in what I would think I would short rather here, not exactly
Okay.
here.
Yeah.
Just thinking about that context in mind.
Okay.
If you
Yeah.
were
That.
bullish, I would be really happy to long here.
Okay. Yeah, I didn't
Yeah.
even think about it like that, to be honest. Okay. Yeah, I'll definitely keep that in mind for the future. That'll help. But yeah, that's all I took today. I didn't really feel comfortable taking anything else, so that was it.
It's all good.
That's all right, man.
All right.
Well, it's
Thank
all
you,
good.
guys.
Yeah.
All right. Have a good day.
We'll see you next time,
You
man.
See
too.
ya.
All right. We got any free members that wants to come up? Or any other members? This guy's okay. Yo, he went all the way back, all the way over there. Okay, so I have a question about it. Normally in my trade system, I'll wait for a market structure shift, but you take the entry before. Why? Is it because CRT, time specific, or what candle do you want specifically to be swept? Uh, well, it's because the model that we use, it is CRT, and it is time specific as well. You want the range model to be swept. If you are bearish, you want it to be open high, low, close. If you are bullish, you want the range low to be swept, open low, high, close. And then you can ride the displacement candle. So yeah, that's why we don't really wait for the market structure shift.
Because we don't trade market structure.
Correct, we don't trade market structure shift. It is something different that you if you want to trade like this. So but yeah. That's why for FX, that's why we don't need a market structure shift. You can wait for a market structure shift if you want after the proper range has been swept. Do we have any more people that want to come up? Any more questions? If not, oh, we got Sam. Let's see. What's up, Sam?
Hey guys.
What up?
Hey, I didn't have a great day today. The trade I took was, I was a little impatient with my entry and took an L, but actually it was just, I closed it, so it ended up being like a small gain, but
Okay.
sorry, I'm on my phone. Let me make sure I got the right.
Yep, you're good.
Wanted to make sure you guys had something to talk about, so I jumped on. Uh, I got in right at I got in long right at 9:30, and I had a limit order set like to the perfect entry there, and then for some reason I removed my limit, and then it started to kind of go for buy side, and then I entered on a market order, and it was a bad entry at that point, and then it just kind of chopped there, and I realized like we weren't. I don't know. I had a bad feeling about it, so I ended up closing it. But yeah, just kind of impatient. You know, I should have just waited. I knew later on in the day we'd get something better near FOMC.
Where'd you
But
short at, Sam?
9:30,
Oh,
long,
9:30.
long.
Oh, long.
Yeah.
Yeah. So at first you had the order flow switched, right? You thought we were gonna bullish, right?
Well, I knew we were low, and I thought we would come up to like uh, some of take the liquidity above. I saw that all the equal highs above, and I thought we were going to take some of that out.
Yeah. This right here is just the order flow, just the bias issue, bro. I believe.
Okay.
Because I believe if you were short biased, you definitely would have shorted 9:30 when it opened
Yeah.
high. You know
Yeah.
what I'm saying? So yeah, one thing that would help with bias is looking what London did. All right,
Okay.
and then looking at high time frame PD arrays and things like that on a higher time frame, like 5 minute, 15 minute.
Okay.
Are you having trouble with the high time frame bias or order flow?
Honestly, not like I feel like I'm actually really good at picking, like seeing what's going on the high time frame, picking the right key levels. But then I get into actual trading, and I get sucked into the lower time frame, and then I forget what I'm doing on the higher time frame a lot, and I take trades that are just not based on my real analysis,
Yeah.
and then I end up with stuff like this, like just mediocre.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know what you mean. No, yeah, it's a good idea to set your day up. So what I would do is I would sit on the 5 minute chart and kind of plan the day out, right? Set the daily open, the daily close as a candle, right? Um, with vertical lines. You know what I'm saying,
Okay.
Sam? So I kind of keep the bird's eye view of the charts all day. You know.
Okay.
I could probably send an example later to the VIP. All right, Sam. But
Okay.
yeah, it's just yeah, you've been doing well. It's just today you were just offsides, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Hey, one thing I forgot to add to is on the hourly. One thing I was going to do on higher time frame hourly, I think around like 6 or 7. Yeah, turtle soup. And so I thought we were going to get a continuation from that, but we
Yeah,
ended
yeah,
up
yeah.
just souping again and then going down.
No, yeah, 9 a.m. souped 8 o'clock. It souped the 8 o'clock ICR that we talk about. Later when you go check, you want to see the 8 o'clock ICR, right? So first I was bearish because of London, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and
Okay.
all I needed was the ICR and a 9 o'clock manipulation, right? So that's
Yep.
one
Yep.
thing to look at on that. So you can just target the low of 8 o'clock of the ICR. That's what I use on
Okay.
the 1 hour.
Yeah,
That's why.
that's what I should have seen, but I looked at the 6 a.m.
Yeah,
Hourly
low.
candle
Yeah.
that ICR the 5 a.m. And so I
Yeah,
was
yeah,
like,
yeah.
oh, we're gonna continue from there.
Yeah, yeah.
So yeah.
Now, everyone was kind of bullish at first too, with the higher time from SMT at the lows, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but yeah, it's all good. Yeah,
Well, I appreciate it, guys. Thanks for the feedback.
yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, we got Sebas. You want to read that one, Ani?
Yeah, Sebas said. He said, not sure if you guys went over it, but I'm at the gym, so won't be able to go up. I have a question about 115 long on ES. He believed the 1 p.m. was distribution candles, so he tape read 105 longs right when YM swept 12 p.m. lows. So at 105, 1305 longs. But we dug a little deeper, so my 10 tick stop would have been hit. Then we ran at 115. Any reason to know to wait, or was it one of those trades to re-enter? Let's see. Mark the 105 and then the 115. And then the 115. Yeah, 115. And then SMT chart. What happened at 115? What did we take on that? I think it's when YM took a low.
Yeah.
And Q takes the low, but when YM takes external, what time is it?
Yep.
Oh yeah, right when YM took external is when oh, I see. Yeah. Put stretch ES out a little bit, Enigma up. Yes, so I can see it. Yeah. The lows, yeah. Yeah, I see what you mean. YM took the low, so that's when he entered at 1305. No, yeah, I would just re-enter on that. What would you think, Zeph?
Oh,
I
these lows,
would
yeah.
100% re-enter at 1315. Yeah. Just because your bias is still the same, the time was just too early.
Yeah. And you can see,
Yeah.
can see when we take the low, so YM takes the low first, but at 115 we don't take the low. So I mean we take the low, but YM doesn't. So it's like another SMT. Yeah, it looks cleaner on the.
Yep. That's the range right there that we used. And we open low. Yep.
Oh, this SMT.
Yep.
This is what I've been talking,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
About the parent candle, and on one asset it just takes the range low, but the parent candle low, and on the other asset it just take the range low.
Yeah, for a fix, that 6 hour at the low did work out. 6 hour got swept.
Okay. But yeah. And again, you guys don't have to enter off of the manipulation candle. You could wait for the distribution.
Yep.
Yep. I mean, we have showed you guys multiple times. Just you can literally just blindly enter on the distribution candle. So yeah, 1530 was really good, Chara. But yeah. Got some people typing here. Cuddy
Yeah, you
said,
can
yeah,
cycle through
you can cycle through it.
the best looking one.
I've entered here.
Yep. Yeah, that's a good long right there, Enigma.
Only because it's on the distribution candle. You
Mhm.
don't have to enter on the lows. Like we talked about this. Like I would never enter if I don't know the Jefferson model, the Jefferson's model.
Yep. Yeah, we're we're not gonna make fun of you if you come up, so you're here to learn. And yeah, we're gonna guide you. Did you guys go over where we checked exactly at today? No,
Are you
not
talking
yet.
about the highs?
We're at the highs or we're at the lows? Cuddy,
Yeah, high day.
high day.
Yeah, it was intermediate term high and an OTE.
Yep. Daily immediate rebalance.
What
Wink,
is
wink.
this?
Nudge,
Monday's low.
nudge. Hawk. Yep. Inverse POC.
Yeah, and you guys think, right? If you looked on the weekly chart or had this on a Wednesday retracement, didn't seem too bad, right?
Yep.
Just a rebalance price. Bruh said
GG's.
it. Bruh.
The interbank price delivery algorithm.
Tapda.
Tap that.
Look at this, guys. Tapda.
Oh,
3
hell,
and
hell
3.
no.
Yeah, man. Tap that. Tap that ass. I'm kidding.
Yo, what?
uh, yeah, that was to the tick. Very good. We got any more question? Oh, we got B Jones. We go. B Jones. What's up, man?
What's up, guys?
How you doing?
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yep.
All right, cool. All right. So I took a short in London, but it wasn't anything special. It was like 20 points.
Did you take it on ES or
Um,
in Q?
NQ.
In Q. Okay.
So if you look at, you can go to like the even just the 2 minute, and you
What
look at
time is it?
the was that? Oh, 5:00. So I entered at 5:06
5
506.
was.
a.m. So if you see ES and NQ both had equal lows, and neither of them has swept it, and you can see that 2 minute FUG that formed off the 502 candle.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. 5 or 3, right? There's a 1 minute FPG as well.
Yeah, so I was on the 2 minute, so you could clearly see the order flow is bearish, and I was pretty confident that low was going to get taken. So, and then once the 5 o'clock candle opened, I see that that 2 minute FUG formed. So, and I seen that, so I just threw a limit into the 2 minute FUG and shorted it, and my limit was like a little bit below those equal lows. So it was like 468 to 450. That was pretty much it. I mean, it was like, I know it's like super low, like close. It's kind of a low to get in there. You're kind of late, kind of, but I still thought it looked pretty good.
Yeah. If you know the draw, it don't matter where you get in, bro.
Yeah, that's what that's the thing, you know?
Like any
That's the main.
trader and every trader, if they know the draw, like today, I told them I was holding this distribution candle on 1530, entered
Yeah.
Yeah.
blindly, and it
Yeah.
just ran. It ran for so much. But yeah,
Mhm.
Yep. I entered hella late too.
yeah,
I entered here.
yeah.
Doesn't matter it's
Exactly.
premium or discount if you know where your dollar is.
Yeah.
And if your entry is like perfect.
Yep. Yep. But good job with that, man. I like it.
Thank you. Yep. Thank you.
Yeah. I entered there too, Enigma. So yeah, Cuddy been doing good, man. Doing good.
It's really good, man. Why did you enter the Cuddy?
He's taking my signals, bro. It's replying. Distribution candle retrace back to midnight. Yeah, that was
Interesting.
literally what I had, bro. Is that KD, bro? It's me, bro. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I thought that was KD too, man. Dead ass.
It looks like KD, bro. Might be his long lost brother. Nah, yeah, it is. I'm playing. Oh.
Oh,
KD and Cancun, don't worry. Ask him the same thing when I met on Discord. When entering on a trade on a manipulation candle, do you look for an area where potential breaker will form?
What is it?
I said, when entering a trade on a manipulation candle, do you look at area where a potential breaker will form?
Yes. Might as
Yes,
well.
yes, you do look for the breaker. Yeah, we actually covered that in our Discord here, AJ. It's in our one of our courses. How to anticipate the
anticipate
breaker.
breakers.
Yeah.
Well, Sam, you said if I'm taking CRT trades on the hourly, would I just stay in the hourly and above? Um, well, if you want to get more precise, you're gonna need to. What I do is I decide if I'm gonna trade the manipulation candle or the distribution candle, right? And then I look for a lower time frame open high, right? So you can fractalize it, right? You can go to a 15-minute ICR, right, Sam? And then look for an open high 5 minute. But you
Yeah,
just
you
want to
have
make
to go to a
sure,
lower time frame. Yeah.
yeah, you're gonna have to, bro. But make sure you always have a key level, whether it's a high that took a low, or it's a OB, or maybe even a breaker FEG. You need a key level with it. Open high, key level, reject.
Yeah. Yep. Okay, I'm seeing great entries on the lower two. Copy. Thanks, Ani. Yeah. We have anyone else that want to come up or have any questions? Not, we can do some trade breakdowns in the VIP room. Oh, there we go. Daniel said he tagged you, Ani.
What do you say?
So can
Yeah,
you?
we want to do that in the VIP room.
Yeah. We'll do that one. Yeah,
Yeah.
we'll do that one in the VIP room. Anyone else besides Daniel? Anyone else that wants to come up, review their trades, what their mistakes is, the thought process? Now we good? If we're good, yeah, I think that'll be it, guys. Thank you guys for coming in. We'll see you guys next time on the free midweek review next Wednesday. See you guys.